Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how you can borrow money from Opay and get a loan from Opay. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. Opay currently doesn't offer direct personal loans to individual users in most regions. However, there are two options you can explore available in specific regions like Nigeria. Okash is a lending marketplace connecting users with potential lenders. You can apply for small loans through the Okash app and receive funds if your application is approved by a lender. This typically involves KYC verification and might come with interest rates and fees. In some regions, Opay might offer microloan options within specific services like airtime purchases or bill payments. This can involve limited amounts and might come with processing fees. Opay offers dedicated merchant loan option. If you have an Opay business account, businesses can apply for a short-term up to 1 million or long-term of up to 5 million loans through the Opay business app. Eligibility, interest rates, and repayment terms vary based on factors like your business activity and Opay transaction history. In some regions, businesses might have access to an instant cash advance feature within the Opay business app, allowing them to borrow small amounts for immediate needs. So that's basically how you can borrow money from Opay and get a loan from Opay. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.